Here we're going to also create the ductwork system, but we're going to use manual. We're going to do it manually by using the system tools and the duct layout tools. So this one was created automatically. The duct size here is about 400 by 250 millimeter. Okay, let's do the same layout. Let's delete the office. Let's not delete it. Let's hide the element first. Now we're going to place the equipment, so the FCU, and then set the level to 3 again. Click apply, and then set it first. This is just to compare the automatic and manual duct creation or layout. Here we're going to also place the air terminal, again 3 meters. Okay, it's not this supply, so let's undo the terminal, set it as a 3 meters height from floor level, and the supply will be 90, so it will be the same as the previous layout. Here we're going to place the location. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the ductulator online to size this ductwork. It's 3 meter. Let's go to same level, the floor. Let's go to the board. If you want to see architecturally, you can set it to architect apply, but it will close up. So let's have the section box down. Open, so let's try to cut through and reveal it. Here let's unhide this so we can later see it once this section box will cut you on a 3D cut, so you can see and cut out this roof to open the view from the 3D points of view. Now it's cutting through. Let's move it some more. Here, now you can see the placement of the duct and the diffuser. But you can also see the walls and the floors. So now let's create the duct system. Let's go to mechanical. We know that the total flow airflow is 370, so we're going to use a online ductulator. Here the first thing you need to set is the flow rate, which is liters per second, and the flow rate should be keyed in as 370 because this is the total flow that we have. We're going to size the main duct, and on the friction pad we're going to have it locked. We're going to use 1 Pascal per meter for the selection of the duct sizes. Here you can have the selections for either a rectangular or round duct. We're going to use a rectangular duct. Now we're going to set the dimension. Let's make it a full number 400. So it actually giving us a 400 by 200 duct size. So the length, we don't have any length, will be here. So let's create the ductworks first. Let's go to system, duct. Here we need to set the middle elevation. We'll set it as 3350. And the duct will set it as 400 by 200 as per our ductulator. And let's maintain the system to supply air, and then we're going to connect from this point. Oh sorry, let's connect from this point to this point. So that is our first duct system. Now you will see a soft offset from the connection of the FCU to this duct. Unlike the previous one, we need to adjust it because of the irregular connection. So now let's, here 370 divided by 2 is about 185. So we can reduce the duct size here now to 185 liters per second. So let's set it. Let's maintain the 1 Pascal. and let's set it will be 250 by 200. So we'll have the duct here as 250 by 200. Let's round it off. So here we're going to go for another duct which is 250 by 200. Let's maintain the meter elevation. Let's connect from here and let's stop here. So we're going to stop here, and you can see it automatically connects with the transition or reducer. Let's blank this off using the system, and let's go to the fitting. Here in the fitting we have some accessories. One is a rectangular end cap, so it will close the end of the duct. So we will close it now. Now there's two ways of connecting it. We can either select here and connect air terminal to duct. Let's do that and select the air terminal. So it will automatically connect air terminal. There wasn't enough room, so let's connect this inside this first. You can either connect this using a flexible duct manually. Let's select a flexible duct, and the type of the duct that we are going to use is we need to check the temperature here. We have a 92 liters per second for this diffuser. So if you use a rectangular round duct, we need either 180 or 200 mm diameter. So let's set it as 200 or 200. Make sure supply air system. Connect from this diffuser and unfilter the duct. It will give you a correct automatic connection and will provide you with a column. Let's do the same here. Now we can also place a duct, round duct. Here we can go to the round duct type. We'll just maintain the meter elevation, and let's set the diameter to 200. So we'll do the tapping from the side, because if you directly connect it here, it will go to the end and it's a little bit irregular. Let's place it closer to the diffuser. We'll do it on the other side. Here also we'll just need to extend this. We press the connector, and actually we can increase this. So we can delete first this, whatever we have there. I just want to make the round duct almost the same length as this, so we have a regular layout. So let's go to the top. Let's make it same here. Tap again, and now let's connect the diffuser to the air with the flexible duct 200. So now let's see in 3D and see the difference of our manual duct layout compared to the automatic duct create system. So for me, it's much more time consuming using the automatic duct create system, because you have to adjust it based on your preferred layout, and it has its own calculation method to size the duct with some difficulty in placing all the fittings and the connection. So here we have our preferred manual duct sizing system. We can use a round duct, we can also use a rectangular duct, and it's much more nicer. It has created a better offset transition from the different levels, from the connection from the LCU to the ductwork system. So if we look at it, it's already shaded. Anyway, that is how to create a manual duct system using the duct tool in Revit. also by using the ductulator for correctly sizing the duct size based using the airflow and an equal friction method, which is 1 Pascal per meter. In equal friction method, 1 Pascal per meter will be the standard settings to calculate the duct sizes. Thank you.